Ever wondered why some offices buzz with energy while others seem to drain the life out of you? It's not just about the work, it's about the environment too. A clean office isn't just pleasing to the eye, it's a powerhouse for productivity. Imagine walking into a spotless workspace every morning, with everything in its place. It's more than just a nice to have, it's a must-have for boosting morale, reducing sick days, and even sparking creativity. Hello eco-warriors, we're diving into the world of conscious cleaning. Exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. The psychological impact of a clean workspace. Clutter can be a silent productivity killer. When your workspace is cluttered, your mind can feel just as disorganized. Studies have shown that a cluttered environment can lead to increased stress and anxiety, making it harder to focus on tasks at hand. On the flip side, a clean and tidy workspace can have a profound effect on mental clarity and focus. Imagine sitting down at a desk that's free of piles of paper and miscellaneous items. Your mind is free to concentrate on the tasks that matter, without the distraction of visual clutter. A clean workspace promotes a sense of calm and order, which can significantly boost your ability to focus and work efficiently. Health benefits of a clean office. A clean office isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about health. Regular cleaning and sanitizing can reduce the spread of illnesses, which means your employees will have fewer sick days and a healthier workforce. In an era where health and safety are paramount, maintaining a clean office can make a significant difference. Improved air quality is another major benefit of a clean office. Dust, allergens, and pollutants can accumulate over time, affecting the air you breathe. Regular cleaning, including dusting and vacuuming, helps maintain good air quality, which can improve overall well-being and reduce respiratory issues among employees. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Boosting employee morale and satisfaction. The state of the office environment plays a crucial role in employee morale and satisfaction. Walking into a clean, organized workspace can set a positive tone for the day. Employees are more likely to feel valued and respected when their workplace is well maintained. A clean office fosters a positive company culture. When employees see that their employer cares about maintaining a clean and pleasant work environment, it boosts their sense of pride and belonging. This, in turn, can lead to higher levels of job satisfaction and a more motivated workforce. Enhanced efficiency and productivity. An organized workspace is synonymous with efficiency. When everything has its place and is easily accessible, employees can save valuable time that would otherwise be spent searching for documents or supplies. This streamlining of daily tasks can significantly enhance productivity. Consider the impact of a tidy workspace on workflow. When employees aren't bogged down by clutter and can easily find what they need, they're able to work more efficiently. This reduction in time wastage translates to more productive hours and, ultimately, better results for the company. Encouraging creativity and innovation. Creativity thrives in environments that are conducive to clear thinking. A cluttered and disorganized workspace can stifle creative processes, making it harder for employees to come up with innovative ideas. On the other hand, a clean and orderly workspace can provide the mental clarity needed for creative thinking. Companies that prioritize cleanliness often see a boost in innovation. When employees have the mental space to think clearly, they're more likely to come up with fresh ideas and solutions. This culture of creativity and innovation can drive a company forward, leading to greater success and competitiveness in the market. Practical tips for maintaining a clean office. Maintaining a clean office requires consistent effort from both employees and management. Here are some practical tips to keep your workspace tidy. Daily habits. Encourage employees to adopt daily habits such as tidying their desks at the end of the day, properly disposing of waste, and keeping personal items organized. Regular professional cleaning. Investing in regular professional cleaning services ensures that your office remains consistently clean and sanitary. Professional cleaners can tackle areas that are often overlooked, such as carpets, windows, and high-touch surfaces. Decluttering sessions. Schedule regular decluttering sessions where employees can sort through their belongings and get rid of unnecessary items. This can help maintain a clutter-free environment. Organizational tools. Provide employees with organizational tools such as filing cabinets, desk organizers, and storage solutions. These tools can help keep the workspace organized and free of clutter. Clean as you go. Encourage a clean-as-you-go mentality, where employees clean up after themselves immediately rather than letting messes accumulate. A clean office goes beyond mere appearance. It has a profound impact on employee productivity, health, and morale. By creating a tidy and organized workspace, you can boost mental clarity, reduce sick days, and foster a positive work environment. The benefits of a clean office are long-term and far-reaching, making it a crucial aspect of any successful business. Ready to transform your office into a productivity powerhouse? Start prioritizing cleanliness today. Encourage daily cleaning habits among employees and invest in professional cleaning services to ensure your office remains a clean and healthy place to work. A clean office is more than just a nice-to-have, it's a key component of a productive and successful business. Contact us today to learn more about our professional cleaning services and how we can help keep your office spotless. Did you find these insights helpful? Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.